I'm Stefan Baumann, and this is the last day of our workshop here in Nevada, Southern Nevada actually, and we're painting the Valley of Fire, which is absolutely amazing. But we're coming up here, there's artists all around us. As you can see, we're gonna go walk up and see what he's doing and see whether or not he's having a good time right now. Hello, artist, how are you?
Hello, Stefan.
Who are you?
My name's Kevin.
Kevin what?
Kevin Jones.
Kevin Jones. That's a name you need to remember because he's just on fire. What are you planning on doing after you leave here?
Painting some more. It's so exciting. Every stop is a beautiful new adventure. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to spending
You're going to go to my
the
next workshop in a couple of weeks.
Absolutely. I'm going for a small road trip in between workshops, headed through California on the backbone up 395.
Unbelievable.
And yeah,
Going to Yosemite and Lake Tahoe, and then
doing some painting.
He's going to do my next workshop, which is just fabulous. So, how are you enjoying this?
Oh, it's a blast. Yeah, I can't wait.
Are you
to
surprised at the scenery here in Southern Nevada?
Yes, the colors especially. You know, if you come through the wrong time of the day, it kind of looks flat and brown. But
yeah,
in the sunlight in the early morning and late evenings, it's phenomenal.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's a phenomenal display. And to try to capture it is such a challenge. Learning how to do it is one of the most fun things.
Are you learning something?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You know, it's this craziest thing. You're having fun, and you realize slowly you're getting better. So, yeah, learning a lot. And
Do you see yourself doing this like the rest of your life?
I don't see myself being able to stop.
Ah, it's a good. I was a little afraid there where you're going to go, actually, no, I'm not doing this anymore. But actually, it's actually wonderful. It's that. And you haven't been doing this a long time either.
No, under a year. I was very, very hesitant to make that first call. Mm-hmm. And I'm so glad.
What was the first call?
The first call was to dial Stefan Baumann's phone number.
Mm-hmm. It's not a commercial for me, I assure you. It's just what happened.
But to call up and say, hey, I want to do this. I'm interested in this, but I need some help, you know. Mm-hmm. And it's not going to be a lot of exercises and...
No color wheels, no notones, no drawing stuff. You just jump right into it and do it. And you learn from what not to do by making those not to do's, right?
And and having an enthusiastic, supportive coach friend who can help me along this journey.
So it's not that complicated because, you know, well, first thing when people say, well, Vegas, what's there to paint in Vegas? And, you know, wow, the scenery out here is just spectacular. You can imagine what this is like. But it's something that you kind of just nibble on until you get it. It's not so overwhelming.
Right.
So if you are planning on going to learn how to paint on location, what would you suggest a newbie to do?
First of all, buy Stefan Baumann's latest book,
The Ultimate Plein Air Guide.
The Ultimate
I
Plein
didn't
Air
ask
Guide.
him to say that either,
Right.
But the thing is, it's kind of a Bible.
Yes, and it doesn't even matter if it's not plein air. You're going to learn something in this book. It's well laid out, well put together. And if that's the first step, but I really recommend if you're interested in learning how to do this and come into a workshop, make that phone call and talk to Stefan Baumann.
Yeah, and you
won't regret it. There's no commitment. You try it, you don't like it. You know.
Well, the thing is that, though, it's not so over the top, and you don't have to have a lot of knowledge. You actually come out here, we paint. You're not learning my method. I just make you better.
Right. You know, a year ago, I was an absolute and total beginner.
Yeah.
And I'm still got a long way to go, but I'm increasing in confidence by the day.
Yeah, I just can't, you know, whenever I hear people, because they would watch my television show and stuff, and we're painting in the parks, and they would always go, you know, when I grow up and retire, I want to do this for a living. And, you know, it's so awesome that I'm able to do that for artists. And so you really inspire me.
Oh, for human beings, people that are having dreams, and you're helping them achieve that at, you know, maybe just the time they thought it was out of reach.
Yeah, and it starts off with phone coaching, you know, to kind of get you going, which didn't take long. How long have you been with me?
10 or 11 months.
Yeah, under a year you're painting. Yeah, all these people that have you do color wheel and notones and drawings and stuff, you're wasting your time. Come out and try this for yourself on the spot.
It's hands-on.
Hands-on. Make the mistakes. Let's figure out what's missing, and we'll just fix that and carry you on. Before long, a year from now, you could be out here at my next Vegas workshop. So
I plan on being here, and I hope to see you too.
Thank
Join
you.
us.
Thank you. Anyway, so if you're interested in joining us in our workshop, just go to my website, stefanbaumann.com, and there, a little pop-up window, you know those annoying things pop up. Anyway, so fill that out. You actually download a free book, which is like 80 pages. There you'll kind of get an introduction to some of my plein air stuff, some history, and some of my artwork, but that will keep you in the loop. You'll be part of my mailing list. If you want to order the book, you can go to stefanbaumann.com, and there is an order form for the book, and it's not necessary, but you'll learn a lot from it. I didn't spend 40 years learning how to paint just to not have my own ideas and things, and you'll be amazed that this is a lot easier because I've broken it down very, very simple steps. And then who knows, there you'll get information about my workshops in Mount Shasta or in Vegas or wherever else I plan to do, and you'll become an artist and you get to travel and paint. What better life could that possibly be? So get on my website, stefanbaumann.com, or just give me a call at 415-606-9074. My students know that I answer all of my phone calls myself. There's no secretary. You will be directly dispatched to my ear, and I'll ask you, so what were you thinking? You go, I want to try one of those workshops. And I'll say, I'll register you right now. That easy. It's fun. So anyway, if you get a chance, go to my website, find out more information. Until then, keep your brushes wet, and always remember, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Except bears. Bears will kill you. Bye-bye.